Hello, this is David from About Time. Many of you out there may want to know how to add time for multiple people at the same time. In the time editor, this can be a tedious process as you can only add time for one person at a time. So I'm going to show you a little quick trick on how to add time for multiple people. First off, we're not going to use the time editor. Instead, we're going to use the time record creator. That can be found under your administration menu and time record creator. So we're going to open this up. And the time record creator, instead of dealing in complete time records, it deals in time stamps. So it's going to show us individual ins and outs. So let's say today is the 31st. So I'm just going to go and set my date range for just the 31st. And let's say my clock did not function this morning, so I need to add time for all my guys. If I'm going to add time for one guy, just hit this down arrow. I can select the one guy out of the list, but I'm going to add for multiple. So I'm going to keep it on select multiple, and then I'm going to hit the set button. When I hit the set button, it's going to pop up a list of my employees, and I can go and check off the ones I want to add time to. So let's say these guys are on my crew. So I say OK to that, and now I'm going to go ahead and set the date, which is today, the 31st. I'm going to set what time they clocked in. Notice I have in selected down here, so I'm setting the time for the clock in time. So we'll say it was 7 a.m. So I got my clock in time set. It's also important for me to choose which job that they're on. So I go ahead and set my job. And then choose what cost code they're doing. Now if they're all doing individual cost codes, you'll need to go back and set those up individually. Right now I'm just choosing what most of them are doing. So we'll say most of them were actually doing wall framing. So I'll hit select cost code. So now I have the information I need to add the record. So to add the record, I hit add record right here. And now you see I have in timestamps for those guys. Now I need to create out timestamps for them as well. This is fairly quick. I just need to switch this to out and choose my out time. It's not important at this point to set the job or the cost code because that is set by what they clocked into. So we'll say that they would have clocked out at 5 o'clock p.m. Hit set and add record. So now each guy has an in timestamp and an out timestamp. If I need to change a cost code for someone, I can simply select that guy, go over here, and I have a series of tabs. The tabs I have are set job, set cost code, set equipment, allocate time, etc. I'm going to set cost code. And so this guy was doing roof framing instead of wall framing. And you can see that change is reflected there. Now these time records are set. I'm done adding those. You can see it's a quick and easy process. If you have any questions about this, you can give us a call at 801-465-8181. Have a great day.